Don't skip. A mystery color is coming at the end. Let's see if you can guess it.
Hey kids, guess the color. Red color, very good. It's the color of love, apples, roses, and hearts. Now guess this color. Very nice, it's green. Like grass, leaves, and yummy green veggies. What about this one? Come on. Yes. It's blue. Sky and ocean, both love blue. Okay, this bright one, any idea? Yellow. Wow, great job. Bright like the sun, happy and shiny. This one looks tasty. Orange. Bingo. Like oranges and sunset, juicy and warm. This one looks royal, what's it? Purple. Oh yes. King and queen vibes, rich and fancy. This looks like snow, guess it? White. Awesome. Clouds, milk, and snow, all pure and clean. What's this dark one? Black. Spot on. Cool, bold, and stylish, like a boss. This one looks earthy. Brown. Perfect. Like chocolate, soil, and wooden things. What's this soft, sweet color? Pink. Candy, dolls, and cute vibes everywhere. This one's calm and quiet. Gray. That's right. Not too dark, not too bright, just chill. Last one, it shines, guess? Golden. You nailed it. Like gold medals and shiny Diwali lights.